If you're looking for a quick, efficient way to add expense claims in Xero, you've come to the right place. This video will show you how to easily navigate Xero's system and add expense claims step by step so that you can streamline your accounting and keep things organized. Whether you're new to Xero or just need a quick refresher, stick around until the end to get the full breakdown. Now, before we dive in, remember that Xero offers some excellent features to help you manage your finances and expenses, and you can use the software for free with our exclusive bonuses by clicking the first link in the description below. So, let's get right into it. First, to add an expense claim, you'll need to log into your Xero account and go to the dashboard. Once you're there, find and click on the Business tab in the top menu and select Expenses from the drop-down menu. If you don't see the Expenses section right away, it might be because it hasn't been set up yet, so make sure you're logged into the right organization or check the settings. Now that you're in the Expenses section, click on the New Expense Claim button. This is where you'll enter the details for your claim. It's as simple as that. You'll then be prompted to select the employee or user for whom the expense claim is being submitted. If you're submitting the claim for yourself, just select your name. Next, you'll need to enter the date of the expense, along with a brief description of the expense itself. This could be something like lunch meeting with a client or office supplies. Xero will ask for the amount of the expense. Here, you'll enter the total cost. Don't forget to select the appropriate tax rate based on where the expense took place or how it's categorized. If you're unsure, Xero's built-in tax tools will help guide you. It's really that simple. Next, you can attach receipts or any supporting documents for your expense claim. Xero makes it really easy to upload files directly from your computer or even snap a picture with your phone using their mobile app. Just click Add Attachment and you're good to go. You can attach as many receipts as needed to keep everything in one place. Once all your details are filled in, click Save to save the claim as a draft or Submit if you're ready to move forward. The claim will be sent to the person who needs to approve it, usually your manager or the person handling your expenses. If you're the one approving claims, you can do that easily from the Approve section in the Expenses tab. Once it's approved, the expense will be recorded and you can reconcile it later when you do your accounting in Xero. The entire process is designed to save you time and keep everything organized without the hassle of paper receipts or manually tracking expenses. To wrap up, now that you know how to add expense claims in Xero, you can manage your finances more effectively and save both time and energy. And as I mentioned earlier, you can get started with Xero for completely free, using the link in the description below, along with some great bonuses. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more helpful tips and tutorials on managing your business finances, and be sure to check out that exclusive free trial offer.